Have you ever noticed something weird? The same thing that hurts you sometimes feels good, like eating super spicy food and crying but still going back for another bite, or hitting the gym so hard your body screams, yet you feel proud and happy after, or even missing someone who clearly wasn't right for you, but somehow that pain feels comforting. Sounds crazy, right? But here's the truth. Your brain doesn't see pain and pleasure as complete opposites. In fact, they're more like cousins living in the same house. Let's break this down. Your brain has a reward system. Whenever you do something enjoyable, it releases dopamine, the feel-good chemical. But here's the twist. Pain can also trigger that same system. Yeah, your brain is a little weird like that. For example, when you exercise, it hurts. Your muscles burn, you feel tired, sometimes you even question your life choices. But after that, you feel amazing, calm, satisfied, even happy. That's because your brain releases endorphins to deal with the pain, and those endorphins make you feel good. So technically, pain created pleasure. Now think about spicy food. Your mouth literally thinks it's under attack. Capsaicin, the thing that makes food spicy, activates pain receptors. Your brain goes, "Oh no, we are in danger." And then it releases feel-good chemicals to calm you down. Result, you're sweating, crying, and still saying, "Bhai aur spicy bana." Strange, right? But the weirdest example is emotional pain. Ever noticed how sometimes you keep thinking about someone who hurt you? You replay memories. The good moments feel warm, the bad ones hurt, but somehow you keep going back. That's because emotional pain also activates the same brain circuits as physical pain. And when you revisit those memories, your brain mixes pain with small doses of comfort. It becomes addictive. It's like your brain is saying, yeah, this hurts, but at least it feels familiar. And humans love familiarity, even if it's painful. That's why people stay in toxic relationships. That's why we listen to sad songs on repeat. That's why heartbreak sometimes feels strangely comforting. Because pain isn't always just pain. Sometimes it's mixed with meaning, memories, and a weird sense of connection. But here's the important part. Just because something feels good after pain doesn't mean all pain is good. There's a difference between growth pain and harmful pain. Gym pain, growth. Learning something hard, growth. Pushing your limits, growth. But constant stress, emotional damage, or toxic situations, that's not pleasure in disguise. That's your brain getting stuck in a loop. So the next time you feel that strange mix of pain and pleasure, pause and ask yourself, is this helping me grow or just keeping me stuck? Because your brain might confuse the two, but you don't have to. And honestly, once you understand this, a lot of your behaviors start making sense. Why you do what you do, why you go back to certain habits, why letting go feels so hard. It's not weakness, it's just your brain playing its little tricks. But now you're aware of it. And awareness, that's power. If this made you think a little differently, hit that like button, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing psychology content. Because the more you understand your mind, the less it controls you.